we have the current stock market update for MicroCloud HOLOGRAM Incorporated, stock ticker HOLO. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comment section so that other traders can find this information more easily on the platform. So what we're looking at here is the 1 hour price chart. That means that each candle on this time frame represents a 1 hour trading period. And as we can see here, the stock is trading right near its all-time lows. We have a little bit of a bounce here that can be found right around, let's get a support level here. So this would be about $2.40 to the downside. And then we did see a bit of a bounce here, creating a resistance zone that comes in at $3.47. But then from there, as we can see, the stock itself really has started to just continue moving lower, which is not a huge surprise because this is the dominant trend for this chart. I mean, we can go back in time here, and the more we go back in the price history here, the more that we can see that the share price itself really has just seen very little upside. I mean, there's really no uptrend activity here that can be found. We do sometimes see these slight price spikes in the positive direction. And some people like to argue that that's a really good opportunity to, buy the stock or to hold on to the stock. But it really comes down to where you're entering into these positions because, yes, we did get a bounce from $2.40 to $3.47. But what happens here if you got in at like 335 or something like that? Is it possible that you could get out at a little bit of a gain here? Yeah, maybe. But that would also require you to get out at the exact top, which is a lot more difficult than it sounds. Looking at the comment section from prior videos, many people do claim to be able to do this. Like they'll simply just go back to a price rally here. For example, something like this here, where share prices fell to lows of roughly $4.50 and then moved to highs of $8.19. And they'll say things like, well, don't you see that low I got in at 450 and I got out at 815 or something like that. And it's like, dude, you're not that accurate. Nobody is. You're not able to just pick out these random price rallies here, get in at the dead bottom, and then exit the position at the total complete top. I mean, there's just no way anybody believes that. So this is a very dangerous stock, and it's clearly focused in the negative direction. And I've made a lot of videos about this stock at this point, and people are usually accusing me of having a short position or being paid by a hedge fund or something along those lines. And none of that has been true. But I'm ready to start to change my mind about that because all that I've really seen in the comment section is just total defiance, total confidence from the other side of the market, people that are actually bullish on this stock. Nobody really seems to say, wow, I made a big mistake. I bought this stock. It was terrible. I don't even know what the product is. I had no business getting involved with this. I saw some dumb video where some guy had rap music playing in the background. It looked like he didn't even graduate high school. And somehow I made this stupid decision and I took his investment advice. Now I'm losing all this money. These are bad stories. You don't want to hear anything like this. You don't want anything like this to happen to you. But you don't really hear stories like that. I mean, it's nothing like that. It's just no way this thing's gonna pump. Haven't you seen? Look back on the price chart. Don't you see situations where the stock did rally? Did pump or whatever? And it's like, possibly, but that doesn't mean that you capitalized on those, and it doesn't mean that you're going to capitalize on it again in the future. As we can see, the price rallies here continue to diminish in size, and they're clearly focused on one direction. So, I think I have made the decision at this point to actually start to short sell these stocks, and it's not just MicroCloud HOLOGRAM, GameStop, AMC. For the most part, I don't really take short positions very much, but given the behavior that I've seen on this platform from people, I think I'm going to start to do it because you people just do not listen. Like you don't listen to reason. I mean, there are reasonable well thought out, sources that you could be seeking out for information, but you people just refuse to do it, and you're just constantly believing that you're right, even though your bank account is just diminishing day by day. Your trading account just continues getting smaller. You're probably using your credit cards to fund your trading account at this point, if you even have any credit cards. My God, I can't even imagine what your financial situations are like trading this stock. So, but you people refuse to listen to reason. So I do think that I'm going to start to trade these stocks from the short side. I mean, why not? I mean, if you people are just going to hand over your money, why not take it from you? I mean, why, if you're going to enter into these bullish positions, why not get in on the other side of the trade? Why miss an opportunity like that? I never would have thought that YouTube would be like this, where it's just so much confidence in the other direction, even when you people are constantly losing money. So clearly, since you can't learn your lesson, I think that I'm going to start to short these stocks. And if you're going to play that game, if you're going to play the long game, you're going to be handing your money over to people that are on the short side of the trade, and it's going to be me, and it's going to be me making videos about this constantly. So now that I have seen, how people are actually approaching this and refusing to acknowledge the fact that share prices just continue to move lower. I don't currently have a short position in this stock, but next time I see a bounce here, I will be betting against this stock. So just keep that in mind. For anybody that's considering, getting into the trade or something like that, I am going to, I think, start to produce videos that really do say, look, you should just short sell this thing. Like, why not bet against this thing? There are people that just refuse to listen to reason. They're not going to close their positions. They're going to maintain these positions. They're going to pretend that they got in and out of these trades at great levels. They're just totally lying about the situation. You didn't buy this stock at 450 and then exit at 815. Nobody believes that. Okay, nobody, zero people believe that. You're not conning anybody. And since you refuse to change your behavior and listen to reason and see that the stock is continuing to move lower, why not? Why shouldn't people start to short sell the stock and get on the other side of the trade? So that is not how I'm going to start to look at these things. I will disclose my positions every time they're active. I do not currently have one at the moment. I know that's hard for some people to believe, but I have not been short selling this thing previously. I was actually trying to help you idiots and try to show you the light, make it clear to you that this thing is in major trouble. But since you refuse to listen to reason, you're now going to have to deal with people like me on the other side of the trade. So here's the current market update for MicroCloud HOLOGRAM, stock ticker HOLO. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership and start trading stocks with the pros.